Hi, good evening to all. So today's topic is all about how to calculate standard deviation from the given set of data. Before solving the problem, we will look at the meaning of standard deviation first. Standard deviation is the statistical tool to measure the data vary from the mean average. How much the data vary from the mean value. It is standard deviation. If you put the mean value under the root, we can get the standard deviation. The data is given here through which we have to calculate the standard deviation. Look at the test. It is a continuous series. So the series is it is an inclusive series. So we need to convert the series into the exclusive series. Then only we can find out the standard deviation easily. The title would be calculation of a standard deviation. The first column, the class interval column, how to convert the inclusive series into the exclusive series, from inclusive series to exclusive series. For that we need to now look at the class interval on the problem. The first class interval 0 to 10. The second class interval is 11 to 20. Take the last value of first interval, that is 10. Take the first value of a second interval, that is 11. If we add it both, we can get 21. Then we need to divide by 2. How much we can get? That is a 10.5. So the width of the class interval is 10, 0.5 to 10.5. Like that we need to make the first column 0.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5, like that. The second column is a frequency column. It is just copied from the problem. So we need to total them as a n equal to the 16. Then we need to find out the mid value. We know how to calculate a mid value, right? Take the first the class interval, that is 0.5 to 10.5. If we add it both, we can get 11. Then we need to now divide by 2, we can get 5.5. First value 5.5, then without the class interval is a 10. So just add the 10 for the every values. 5.5, 15.5, 20.5 and so on so forth. Then we need to prepare the FM column, that is the frequency just multiple the frequency column with the mid value column, we can get a FM column. 10 into the 5.5, we can get the 55. Like that we need to prepare the every values. Then we need to total them as the summation FM equal to the 2230. Now we need to move to find the mean value. So mean is x bar equal to the sigma fm by n. It is the formula to calculate mean value. Fm 2230, n value 60. Here we got the mean value as fraction value. If it is whole value it is easy to calculate. If it is not we need to assume the mean value, which means that we need to round up the mean value near to the value. Then only we need to calculate the standard deviation easily. So let us the assumed mean is the 35.5. So here is the values now. Here is the all values is the fraction. So we need to take the mean value as well as the fraction value. So assumed mean is equal to A equal to the 35.5. So so now we need to prepare the deviation column, that is the m equal to m by m minus A. M is now mid value, then if we now subtract by the 35.5, that is assumed mean, we can get the deviation value as minus 30, minus 20, minus 10. Then we need to then prepare the FT column. Just now multiple in the frequency column with the deviation column, we can get the FT column. So then we need to now total them as now summation FT, that is 100. Then we need to now square the FT the squared, FT squared column. Just now square the FT column, we can get the F2 squared column. So now we need to total them as now summation FT squared as now 24,000. Now we will move to calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation formula is now summation ft squared by n minus now summation ft by n whole squared. It's all under root. So we need to put the value. First the ft squared value is now 24,000. So 24,000, n value 60, ft value 100, n value 16. If we now solve it, we can get the value as now 397.22 with root. If you root the 397.22, we can get the value 19.993. It is our final value. It is the standard deviation of the given data. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.